Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am kellyneshell. If you'd like to see how I created this fun wash and go, then just keep watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment, and most of all subscribe. I hope your day is as wonderful as you are. This is a quick look of the products that I'll be using to complete this style, and they are coconut oil, the argan oil pudding perfection from Cream of Nature, and my eco styler gel in wheat. Okay guys, I am starting with the back section of my hair. I am adding all my products to it, and right here I'm showing you that after adding the products, my curls have started to form, and I'm just going to continue to work the products in until my hair is thoroughly coated. Now I'm taking my eco styler gel and I'm going into smaller sections and concentrating this gel on my roots because I want my roots to be coated and not frizz up. And I'm going in and do my shingling method here, where I just separate small pieces of the hair and twirl it around my fingers to aid in the formation of my coils. And here I'm repeating the same steps by adding my water and my products. And as I said, the products I use are my pudding perfection from argan oil, my eco styler gel, and regular coconut oil. And I'm working this product into the section of my hair, and I did go in heavy handed with this product because guys, really and truly, I did not want my hair to be dry because I am planning on wearing this hair for the entire week, and I really didn't want to go in every day to be moisturizing. Now this is what the back of the hair looks like. Now onto the front. I did a center part, but if you notice, my hair is a little longer on one side because I don't normally wear a center part. Now with the front section, I'm sectioning off another portion from the half, and I'm going in back with the products. I added my water, and in this bottle it's just water. It's a Main Choice bottle, but it's just water. And right here I'm adding on my pudding perfection and the rest of my products. Now guys, I found out that I love to use my comb when doing my wash and goes, because instead of shingling my hair, I just go in with the comb to help with the separation. And it's not a fine tooth comb, it's just a much bigger size. It's not a fairly large size, but a regular size. And I'm just repeating the same process here. So guys, just keep watching, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you have gotten to thus far in the video, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and most of all subscribe. Guys, I'm telling you, this comb method really works, and because it's so much easier than, or faster I should say, rather faster, to go in with the comb and separate my hair than going with my fingers just to aid with it. And my curls were very separated and they formed, they weren't disturbed. So I think you should try this method. Basically what it is just me passing the comb through the hair after I've added the product. And if you see, my hair is very separated and the coils have formed. It did not disturb my curl pattern, as I said. So if you decide to try to use a comb, let me know. Leave a comment in the comment section if you've tried this method, or if it's something that you've already been doing. Let me know. Am I late to the game? And as I said guys, please don't forget to continue checking out my other videos. I'll link some of them in the cards and in the description box. Okay guys, this is what my hair looks like at being 75% dry. The curl patterns are there, as you can see, my curl pattern. And my hair is soft. Still have some wet spots. But I'm not gonna fluff my hair yet. I'm just gonna let it continue to air dry for the rest of the day, because I will be wearing this style for the rest of the week for work. So I don't want to disturb it too much, so I'm just gonna leave it. I'm not gonna pick it or anything. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Now that we're at the end of the video, I'm going to tell you what I thought about the products and what I think about the overall style. Now the products that I used were my eco styler gel, wheat gel. I also used my Cream of Nature pudding perfection moisturizer along with coconut oil. Now this style turned out good. I have definition in my hair. My hair wasn't tough. I did not have to re-moisturize my hair the day after. Like, I didn't have to add any oils to break up the curls. However, I will say that initially when I did the hair, I had no residue or nothing. I did the patch test, everything turned out seamlessly. It blended together quite well, because I did do a patch test to see how the products would mix together. Now it all blended in together smoothly. However, after wearing my hair for a day, because I did it the previous day and I allowed it to air dry, and I wore it for a complete day, I realized that there are some amount of flakes in my hair. I don't know if the camera is picking it up. It's not a lot, but I was really not expecting to have any flakes, because I did do the patch test. However, that did not work. I still end up with some flakes. I don't know if it's because I used too much product, because I did go in heavy with the product because I did not want my hair to be extremely dry. But overall, I think this style turned out really well. I will do another wash and go. I think this is gonna be my go-to style for the summer season if I'm not wearing a protective style, because it's quite easy and it lasts for a while. So I will try this style again with other products, and I might even try the same style with the same products using a much smaller amount. I did go in with a lot of products because I did not want my hair to be crunchy, so maybe that is what caused the buildup. I don't know, but I will try the same products again. I will do another wash and go with different products, as well as I'll do another one with the same products but only using a smaller amount of products. Now if I get the same result as this that I got when I use the same products, I won't upload that video, because you'll know that that's just how the products react. If I don't get any the same result, I will upload that video and explain what I changed and everything in that. So thank you for watching. I hope your day is as wonderful as you are. As I said, if you'd like to see how I achieve this makeup look, I will link that in the cards, and please don't forget to check out my other videos. I hope your day is as wonderful as you are.